Go away, man. Could you heel back? It tough like tough crackers. Go away. You think man want you? Think man want you? Go away, man. Baby. Baby. Hotness. My size. Sexiness. Chromas. Take a minute out of your time then, no? Baby. You must say, I'll walk one door. Me, if you take care of the body, they do enough. Give me a bitch. Give me a number, no? Give me a number, man. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Youre, and today I came with some patois slangs for you guys. You can tell from the title, right? Yeah. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys some more patois. Now, if you're new to my channel, please remember to hit that subscription button and turn on your post notification bell if you'd like to get more videos like these. If you're an existing subscriber, big up yourself. Thank you for being there with me. I appreciate you. I prepared 10 slangs for you guys. If you want more, I'm willing to do a part 2, but for now, we're gonna do 10. All right? Yeah. So the first word or slang on my list is gonna be psst, baby. No, I know that just sounds like you're letting out air from a tire, but really, that means something in Jamaica. No, when a man says that to a lady on the roadside or wherever, it just basically means you're trying to get their attention, like, psst, you know, just that sound will get the person looking like, who's that, you know? So when you say that, it's like to get the person attention, then you're like, baby. They don't have to be your boyfriend in order to call you baby. They don't care. As long as you look attractive to them, they're like, baby, and they give you a compliment, and that's it. So, psst, baby, that just basically means hi, hello, trying to get your attention for you to stop walking so that they can get to talk to you. Baby. Even though some females find it very disrespectful when you do that to them, but majority of them, they don't really say anything. Second one is, me I go want you, you know, baby. So basically, after they stop you, get your attention for you to stop. Second thing that that you're gonna say to her, I forgot to say a man me I talk to. I forgot that I'm talking to the men. I'm talking to the men. All right. So first, after you stop her by saying psst, baby, then this is what you're gonna say after you stop her, right? Me I go want you, you know, baby. Me I go want you, you know, baby, basically means I'm gonna want you. I'm gonna want you to be in my life. I'm gonna want you to be my girl. I want to get to know you a little bit better. That's basically what that means, you know? So after you get her attention, you tell her exactly what your intentions are. Following? Yeah. You can even say to her, me, if you fill out your application, you know, babes. You always have to include the baby or the babes. You can't leave it out because it's just gonna sound like your sentence is incomplete. So you have to say, me I go want to fill out your application, you know, baby, or me I go want to fill out your application, you know, babes. What me want to fill out the application basically mean is, like, we in Jamaica, we always say guys are full of lyrics. We call it lyrics when they try to, like, some country they would say you're trying to toast the girl or you're trying to get her, so you try to tell her the most sweet words that you can ever find. But Jamaican guys, they are very, like, creative with it. So they will say, oh, I'm if you fill out your application, you know, baby. So you know when you go to find a job, right? You fill out the application form in order to find a job. Then the employer would look at it and say, oh yeah, this is the one that we're gonna choose. So basically, when they say want to fill out the application, it means like, oh, they wanna fill out an application in order to get into your life. That's basically what that means, if I have to translate it to English so that you can understand. If the girl says she already has a boyfriend, this is gonna be your response. I run if I run with a waste man there, you know. That's what you say. So when you tell the girl that, oh, you run if you run with a waste man day. It means like leave your boyfriend and come to me. Point blank. That's basically what it is. So he's trying to tell you like, hey, I'm better than your man, so leave your man alone and come to me. Yeah, that's why I tell you, they are straight up like that. If they like you or they are interested in you, they're gonna tell you every sweet little thing that your little heart wants to hear. Believe me. Believe me. But guess what? Are the man them me I talk about. So if you really want that girl and you really, want to communicate to her in her own language, if she's a Jamaican girl, you have to make sure that you come with all the lyrics so that when you say to her that, oh, I run if I run with a waist and then you see she starts smile like yeah, then you know your lyrics are reaching to her, right? So that means you're doing a good thing. After you get her smiling, this is what you're gonna say to her. You're not tired? Cause a whole day you run through my mind, baby girl. And she's gonna be like, oh, really? You're asking her if she's tired. If she's not tired because she has been running through your mind all day. You have been thinking about her all day. And you might be wondering, okay, it's the first time I'm meeting her, so how come I'm thinking about her all day? They don't care. That's what they want. If that's what they have to tell the girl for her to think that everything is good and they can get her, that's what they're gonna tell the girl. Okay? Yeah. As I said, you have to find all the sweetest words that you can ever find for her to start smiling with you and start blushing. Yeah. On to the next one. Another scenario would be if you get this girl to stop and you're talking to her now, and then you ask her for her number and she's like, no, I don't want to give you my number because I have a boyfriend already and I'm very serious about my boyfriend, so no, I'm sorry. What you could say to her in response to that would be, okay, if you don't want to give me, oh my gosh, I'm saying it in English. Okay, this is what you would say in patois. All right, give me your boyfriend number then. Like, oh, you don't want to give me your number, give me your boyfriend number so I can call him. Oh my gosh, why am I saying this in English? Ah, all right, let's go back. Repeat. If you don't want to give me a number, then give me your boyfriend number so we can call him and find out which number I play in a cash pot today. Come on, know why I'm so lucky. Mic drop. Boom. And believe you me, even if she's not too, even if she's serious with her boyfriend, believe me, you might still get her number after saying that line. Yeah. So what that means is you're asking her for a number, she says no because she has a boyfriend. So you're still trying to get her, right? So what you're telling her is basically, okay, if you don't want to give me your number, then give me your boyfriend number so that I can call him to find out how come he's so lucky and he needs to give me the number for the cash pot. Cash pot in Jamaica is like a lottery. So you're basically telling the boyfriend that he's so lucky to have a girl like this, so he must know the winning numbers to the lottery. If you ask me where these guys come up with these slangs, man, I don't know.
Oh, you want stay so? A buff day you come from though. That me I tell you, man. You look good though. I mean, if you angle the body there, you know.
Another one would be like, say for instance, you're dating a Jamaican girl now. If you're already dating a Jamaican girl and you want to talk to her in her language so that she can feel more connected to you, or you just want to impress her a little bit more, you can just say to her one day, hold her hand and say, hey baby, I love you like cook food, That's a nice one. So basically what that means is you're telling her that you love her like food, like a nice home cooked meal that your mom would make, and you just love and enjoy that meal so much. That's basically what you're telling her. I love you like, oh, I love how this home cooked meal tastes so good. Yeah. And it doesn't have to do with anything eating wise. You're just telling her that you love her, like, oh, you're just comparing her to your favorite meal. That doesn't sound right.
Wipe on that, brother.
Another one is like if they see you on the roadside, they would call to you and they said to you like, hey baby, buck your toe and drop in my life, no? Yo! If I've never heard that one personally, but if I ever hear that one, yo, that guy would have me laughing. I would just be laughing. Like, I would say to him like, bro, where did you get these lines from, bro? But that basically means you know when you would slip and fall. So basically he's saying that can you just slip and fall right into my life, baby? Yo. Oh my gosh. Baby, your skin clean like don't spit in the book. Yo, I know all the Jamaicans who are watching right now, I know you must be laughing, man, because that slang basically means like, you know, a kid at school who's not the brightest in class. When they come home, they don't have anything written in their book. So what he's saying is that the girl's skin is clean, it doesn't have any pimples, no eczema, no acne, no nothing on her skin. Her skin is just flawless. So he's like, your skin is so clean, like how a kid, a dunce would be like a, oh, how would I call a dunce now? A dunce person would be a person who is not very educated. So we call them dunce in Jamaica. But when you say a dunce child, it would be like a child who's not really performing well in school. So their book is always empty. So it's like your skin is clean, like how a dunce person's book would be clean in school. You get what I mean? Yeah. Baby girl, your body round like you swallow a circle. Yo! So basically what that is, that means your body is so round. You know like how those, they say you're shaped like an hourglass type of shape? Yeah, you know those girls who shape so nice? So they're like, you shape so round, like you swallow a circle. I cannot. I cannot. You're so round like you swallow a circle. Oh my gosh. And then only a Jamaican girl would really understand in details what they really mean. Because if you're not Jamaican, you wouldn't get it, right? So that's why these pickup lines are for you to get the Jamaican girls. So I'm letting you in on all those secrets, all right? Yeah. And girls, don't be mad at me. Let me just equip them with the information that they need so that they can do it right. You know what I mean? Yeah. The last one for today is, would I climb a Maca tree for your baby? That's a very popular one. That's when you have a girl and you want to express your love to her and you tell her that you love her so much that you would climb a Maca tree. A Maca tree is like thorns. So if you're willing to climb a tree full of thorns, then that means you really love her. So you're telling her, I would have climbed a Maca tree for you because I love you so much, baby girl. Yeah. So this is the ending of the video. I hope you enjoy this video today. And most importantly, I hope you learned something today. You know, you can take one of these slangs or a few of these slangs and go impress your friends, you know, your Jamaican friends. Everybody have a Jamaican friend. That's the reason why you're even watching this video today, right? Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in and I hope to see you in the next video. Big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Bye for now.